You've set your goals, defined your values, and created your projects. Now, let's talk about the secret weapon that makes it all work. Habits. Here's the truth. Goals are about where you want to go, but habits are how you actually get there. You don't achieve your goals in one big effort. You achieve them through small, consistent actions repeated every single day. Let me show you how Gripit makes habit, building simple and effective. Click on Habits in the sidebar, then click Create Habit. Let's create a morning habit. I'll call it Morning Meditation. 10 minutes of mindfulness to start the day right. Now, choose a category. I'll select Mindfulness to keep my habits organized. Pick an icon. I'll choose the meditation symbol so I can quickly identify this habit at a glance. Set the frequency. I'll choose daily because consistency is key for meditation. And done. Your first habit is created. Now, here's where Gripit gets powerful. Habit chains. This is our unique feature that sets us apart. Click on Habit Chains in the Habits section. Habit chains let you link multiple habits together into a powerful routine. When you complete one habit, it triggers the next one. This creates momentum and makes it easier to stick with your routine. Let me create a morning chain. I'll call it Morning Power Routine. Now I can set a start time for the entire chain. I'll choose 6:30 a.m. I can also set the total duration. Let's say 90 minutes for the complete routine. Now let's add habits to this chain. First habit, wake up. This starts everything. I'll set this for 5 minutes to get out of bed and get ready. Second, morning meditation, 10 minutes. We already created this habit, so I'll just add it to the chain. Third, quick exercise, 20 minutes. Could be yoga, push-ups, or a short run. Fourth, healthy breakfast, 30 minutes. Fuel your body right. See how each habit flows into the next. You're not thinking about 4 separate tasks. You're following one smooth routine. The chain starts at 6:30 a.m. and guides you through your entire morning. Complete the chain. Build the streak. Now, let's see how tracking works. Go back to your Habits view. Each day, when you complete morning meditation, just click the check mark. The app tracks your streak, how many days in a row you've done it. Don't break the chain. There's something powerful about seeing that streak number grow. Day 1, Day 7, Day 30. Each day builds on the last. You can also see your habit chains in the calendar view. Click on Calendar, and you'll see your scheduled chains. This visual feedback is huge for motivation. You can literally see your consistency building. Here's a pro tip. Start with one habit. Master it for 30 days, then add another. Don't try to change your entire life overnight. That's a recipe for failure. Build slowly, build sustainably, and that's it. You now know how to create habits, build habit chains with specific times and durations, and track your consistency in Gripit. Remember, small actions, repeated consistently, create extraordinary results. Your habits shape your life. In the next video, we'll explore more advanced features. See you there.